Hello everyone. Today we're going to be making a soap for men. I'm using the fragrance oil Southern California Hollister for men. So I've went ahead already and mixed my lye solution into my oils. So I'm going to separate some of it off into these two containers. I'm going to go ahead and give them a good stir. I'm going to move these off to the side, and then this is already thickening up on me. I'm going to go ahead and add some white. I might have to blend it. I usually use titanium dioxide that's dispersed with water. This was in oil and I just wanted to use it up, but I want to make sure there's like no lumps in it. Not real white, but I think it'll be okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my brown, to this side. My blue, pour it over to this side. And I'm not even gonna swirl them in there. I'm gonna get the mold here. You can see. And we're just gonna pour it back and forth. We are gonna have a little left over. So I'll pour that into another mold. I'm going to go ahead and tap this down. our edges. Batter isn't too thick. We'll go ahead, do a couple. Okay, and I'm gonna try to tap these down. Oh, we got really full. Okay, so we're gonna let this go ahead and set up, and then we will be back to cut it. Our men's Hollister soap is set up. Of course, I had to take it out of the mold a little early, so you can see I made a little bit of a mess, but we're gonna go ahead and cut it. And I also had a little bit of extra, so I went ahead and I poured it into the stones mold. So we'll go ahead and unmold those also. And take one out. That's how they turned out. I've got to go ahead and bevel the edges. Clean them up. I'm going to go ahead and put them to the side here, and then we will take and unmold the stones we made. Hold the cutter. And they were the ones we put in the little silicone mold. So we're going to go ahead and plop these out. Harder than I thought. So they need to be cleaned up around the edges, because that one I overfilled. I've taken and I've cleaned up the Hollister soap for men, and so you can see a better cut of it. I'm going to take and let these set out now for 4 to 6 weeks, and then they'll be ready. Thanks for watching.